All right, here we go. Atlanta to Ontario. Let's go have some fun. Go Delta. Here you go. To the lounge we go. Food and drink all in the house.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when
Here we go. It's margarita time.
we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Home for the next 4 hours.
A single word, 'cause you got
Here we go. It's bubbly time. Really have to appreciate the bulkhead. No one leans back in front of you and you got extra leg space. Must love the newer screens. Here we go, bathroom check time. Yup, it's a tight one. Hey there.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon.
Here we go, dinner is served. Nice turkey sandwich, looks yummy.
Tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word.
Made it, thank you, Delta.
Me hard.